In this video, we will be finding the area and perimeter of a rectangle. So these are formulas you probably know, but we'll refresh if you don't. And as you probably know, in a rectangle, opposite sides are congruent. So if that's 3, that's 3. If that's 9, that's 9. Now the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 times the length plus 2 times the width, because we go around the length twice and we go around the width twice. So this is going to be 2 times 9 plus 2 times 3, which is of course 18, plus 6, which is 24. Now the area of a rectangle is length times width, which in this case is 9 times 3, which is 27. Fairly simple. And that is how to get the area and perimeter of a rectangle.